Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing us how to make your church audio sound better. Basically in this channel this is what I do, and I use Voicemeeter first of all. I also use vMix for my live streaming, my church live streaming, and I use Reaper to edit the audios and send it. So what I use Voicemeeter to do is to bring the audio from my sound card down to Reaper. So now let me play one of our, I think on Sunday. It's on Sunday. Okay, let me start it from the beginning. Okay, yeah. Let me off the EQs. I put. Yeah, you can see how flat and dry it is. So if you look here, I put both keyboard, snare, toms, and vocals on one channel because my let me solo this because my sound card has just 2 channels. So let me on the EQ back. Okay, see what I did here. I used to put gates, but that's when my audio is having issues, having some noise. I put gates, but it's not always advisable. Now if you look here, you will see that it has a lot of low end coming in, so I had to cut it out. And I put a little reverb, not very much, a little. Then I compressed it. Because of the snare, and just watch the work of the compressor, what the compressor does. So compressor is very important for your live streaming, for your audio. Now just watch this. Don't mind my singer's voice. We're still a very small church, so most of us has not really been in other prayer settings. They're just coming up. This is the settings I discovered. Now I hear the drum kick. I still added EQ here. I had to boost 50 hertz so that I cut out around 1K and boosted around 5K, so it will sound brighter online. I had to boost that. Let me remove this. It's a lot difference. I also cut around 4K because, let me show you why. Because I increased. Okay, if you look at the kick now, look at what I did to the kick. I had to gate the kick because if I don't gate it, there's a lot of noise that will be coming in. This is the sound of the kick. Let me put that on repeat so you can hear it very well. Okay, let me play it. Yeah. This is how it sounds. Okay. So it seems that the kick is playing. Okay, this is the gate. I ungated it. See how it's sounding? Audio is coming in. But when I get it, it's more quieter. And I had to bring the threshold to a point whereby it's just the drum kick that is coming out. Just the drum kick. Then see, I cut out around 600. Look at how it sounds when I cut 600. If you use a headset, it's still going to sound well. But for your viewers that uses a phone to view your live streaming, so that you want them to hear quality sound coming from your kick, so I had to cut and boost these frequencies. So I boosted around 4 kilohertz, and I compressed it a lot. Now watch what the compressor will do effect of the compressor or the compression to this guy. Okay, I boosted this a lot. That is just why the compressor is so much. So just watch these lines. Watch these lines in my limiter. Watch how many lines it is. So when I put the compressor, the lines shorten down. When I remove it, just watch. You see, it's giving a more neater and a clearer sound. So when you add this to your mix, it will not sound noisy. Just watch the lines. Watch it. You see, these lines are noises and noise. You see, it's more cleaner and single. You see, so when it's in the mix, it's going to sound different. It's not going to just hide. You get? It's not going to just hide. Let me take it to another place where. Look at it. See? It's separate from the mix. Now let me take it to where our pastor starts. Then you hear how his own mic sound. Everything is still in one channel. This is what I do. Everything is still in one channel. This is when it's more quieter. Okay, let me take it back to here.
He was telling me, is it last week Sunday?
This is the effect of limiter, because the limiter is very active. So in every of the mix, always add a limiter. Always add a limiter at the end of every of the mix. So, and for record purposes,
it's like a surprise.
for record purposes, I use an analog mixer. This is where the compressor came in. Compressor, I added compressor in my inputs instead of in my track. I added compressor. You see, the work of the compressor is it cut out the noise, but it's still loud. Same thing with this guy. I cut out the noise. The compressor was able to cut out the noise, but the mix is still loud. Let me play it again so you hear it. Let me take it back. It's loud, but it's noisy. For now, it's more calmer. It's more calmer, but still loud. Listen. See? So this is what I use. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe.